Dude. This is gonna be awesome.
Hell yeah. Dude.
Look at that, dude.
Perfect.
Fuck. It doesn't get much better than this.
Wow. Yeah. The river's ready for us. Yeah. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning, 32 degrees out. Last night we got the dredge pulled out. It's a little bit in the ice, so we had to chip it out there, but the goal is we're gonna mount the motors, mount the sluice box, get the mats in it, pop it in the water, and then probably have some breakfast, get suited up, start mining. Wow, that was exciting. Look at my drag mark. There was no slowing up.
Yeah, no, I was just trying to control slide. See, when that Falcon started sliding, I didn't even look at you. I was like, he's sliding for sure.
Fucking mint. Yeah, dude. That worked great.
So basically, like, probably about here, I'd say. Over.
Yep. Yep. Let's start down.
We can start over there if you want. Because we know, and we'll just work our way this way.
Yeah.
Just do a big old fucking quick swathish.
Yep. Sounds good. Yeah, that sun's about to crest over there. So this is day one concentrates. Not even barely into the bucket. Already seeing some gold right in there. Just about done with the bucket here. too shabby. We only dredged 2 hours today, so yeah, doesn't look bad. But tomorrow should be a lot better. We'll have a full day of dredging and then probably one more day after that, and we'll see what we end up with.
Trying to see our tailings ledge. Dude, I'm not gonna dig. Oh yeah, I've seen it.
Pretty cold. 4 hours of dredging. Let's take a look at the box. So, a lot of overburden, but I bet underneath there probably quite a bit. Almost done with day 2's concentrates. Looking pretty good. Let's see what we got. 3.546 grams, yeah. So definitely not the best we've done, but got the dredge running perfectly. Everything's dialed in, so we'll be ready to come back and maybe find some virgin ground.